Hey collectors! In today's episode, let's see a new model's upcomings by Hot Wheels, which was shown on Columbus Conventions. A Porsche 930, a Audi S4 Quattro, a Nissan Silvia S15, a 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger, Dodge Viper RT10, a 1998 Toyota Altezza, a Ford F-150 Lightning Custom, a Honda Civic EG in a spoon livery, a 1989 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, a Ford Bronco R, a 1957 Jeep FC, a Bugatti Bolide, a Volkswagen Corrado VR6, a Porsche 964 Turbo will be in tune version, a 1973 Jeep J10, an upcoming Boulevard set, a 2012 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG Coupe Black Series, a 1977 Holden Torana A9X, a Toyota AE86 Sprinter Torino, a Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 6, a 1991 GMC Cyclone. Let's check a new car culture themed as a Canyon Warriors. Cars are a 2001 BMW M5 E39, a 1987 Ford Sierra Cosworth, a 1989 Porsche 944 Turbo, a 1973 Volvo 142 GL, a Mercedes-Benz 500e, a Mercedes-Benz 500e as a chase vehicle, let's see a new Super Treasure Hunt lineups. A Volvo 240 Drift Wagon, a Mighty K, a Ford Escort RS 2000, a Car Culture Another Theme Series as a race day, a Aston Martin Vantage GTE, a Audi R8 LMS, Porsche 935 as a chase vehicle, a AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car, a Porsche 935, a Ford Capri GPS, a new theme series as a car culture, Spettacolare, a Lamborghini Countach LPI 804 as a chase vehicle, a Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA, a Lamborghini Countach LPI 804, a Lamborghini Countach LP 5000 QV, a Lancia Stratos, let's see a new Team Transport set, a Di Tommaso Pantera Group of 4 Plus and a second story lorry, a Alfa Romeo 144 V6 Ti and a Fleet Flyer, a Mazda RX-3 and a Sakura Sprinter, a 1961 Impala and a 1972 Chevy Ram truck, a Porsche 934.5 Plus Fleet Street, a LPC Loud Works GT Nissan 35 GT RR version 2 and a flip cider hollow, a new RLC and Elite 64 cars, a 2021 Audi RS7 Sportsback and a 1971 De Tomaso Mangusta, a 1995 Honda Integra Type R, a 1972 Skyline HT 2000 GTR, a 1990 Chevy 454 SS, a 1994 Honda Acura NSX with working lights, a Porsche 964, a 1969 Dodge Charger RT, a 1991 BMW M3 E30, a 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL, a 1961 Lincoln Continental Convertible, a 1986 Nissan 720 King Cab, a McLaren F1, a Land Rover Defender 90 pickup, a custom 72 Datsun 240Z, a Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador LP 704, a Pagani Huayra R, a 1969 Chevy Camaro SS, a Volkswagen T1 Rockstar, a 2022 Mercedes AMG G63 4x4, a 1986 Porsche 959, a modified 1969 Ford Mustang, a Walmart and multipack sets, a Zamac multipack, a 2015 Land Rover Defender double cab, a European multipack, a SRT Viper GTSR, a 1999 Honda Civic Type R EK9, a Chevy Blazer 4x4, a Volkswagen Golf MK7, and a Toyota off-road truck. Upcoming mainlines: a 1984 Audi Sport Quattro, a GMC Hummer EV, a Ford Bronco R, a 1988 Honda CRX, a Honda Civic Custom, a Lamborghini Remington, and a 1982 Cadillac Civil. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications. And stay tuned for more updates. See you next time.